I'm just gonna be doing a part of it, so I get just a little bit. I don't have to do all. If you want all of them, you can, but I'm gonna just do part of it and see how it turned out. Cure for 30 seconds. How are you ladies doing today? I love it when I'm seeing you ladies is making connect together. There's so many different designs that I want to share. I can't like stop thinking of it because it's so excited, because this is a cool therapy time. Hi Ian, how are you? Maya, how are you? Oh my god, you have been up since 3 a.m. Why you up so early? Is that time that probably the time I'm going to bed? Just kidding. Okay, so I'm just cutting one piece, smaller piece of it from this Forever. I love this because it's go with any different seasons that I'm using. Like this one looks good. All stunning different solid colors you can use. But I want to using this kind of a brighter, I don't know what you can call this one. It's magenta. Just, I didn't want to get like kind of I just want some. I don't want to have like a feeling like you have a whole piece on it. That makes sense. Oh, that's it. I don't want to have a whole piece on it. Just like that. Can be just a little bit here. I like that. So I am going to using Weaver gel, and I'm going to using a pure white. Silver, it was really good too, but I want to use pure white to kind of a give it more contrast, because the foil is a lot of going on. Here's a Weaver gel. And just use my simple cool tip and tricks with 4 or 5 toothpicks and then just tape it. Or you can just do a single using the dot tool. Either ways work. And pick it up. And I'm gonna do like 5 simple it's really stringy, you can see that. It's just so amazing. Great. I think I'm happy with how many that I have in there. I am going to flash cure it for 30 seconds. Just that simple if you want to. And then we are gonna do, sorry, something is sticking there. So we are going to do this shape. And I am going to use, that's super cute. I love it. Thank you. I am going to using that frame right there. and place them down. I'm gonna bend it a little bit. Just place them right in the middle and just bend it. And another one. Bigger side. There you go. Hey Megan, thank you. So it's really simple. It's bent already. If you want to bend more, you just give another press on. And I am using this Supreme's the rose gold frame. Okay, great. So now I am going to using a no iHole condensed glue gels. Look at that. How did that happen? Oh, I've been cleaning it. I've been like really cleaning a lot of stuff going. My twin tip brush. This really thick density, so each time you're using it, just like a really smaller amount, and don't hesitate to just blend it. Blend this nicely. I'm gonna put some crystal here. I think we have some purple crystal. Wipe off my brush, and I am going to using a no wipe top coat. Just have it right here with me, right there. Hey Sarisa, how are you? And going to add floating the top of condensed glue gel. Some of my crystal on the side right there. Pick up my frame. There was a purple like that. Okay, I'm gonna using. Before that, I am gonna put that cute frame on this. It's really simple. I would always love to share a really easy. I say it easy is make it like more like easy for us to seeing it, but it's more like within a simple at your salon with busy, and then you're already really creative and the clients love to get the extra, but then what can you do to add it on the service without taking a lot of your time and your client's time, and it make them really happy, and is really boosts the incomes of your salon. So if you like it like that, simple, and we're gonna key that. I will add probably maybe a couple more of crystal AB I have right on the side. So what I'm doing, you get the crystal and like a mega mix of colors in your kit. Is really is one of the hot this season to make how could be in your beautiful kit. And I think I want like that, and then rose gold bead. One is really hot this season to make is to decide what beautiful shape is on your special anniversary kit, because that shape is had to be like go with everything, all different occasions, and so it's easy for you to work with, and the clients loves it, and it is come in your beautiful kit. So I'm just add just a couple of the beads on, but so beautiful. The background is a lot going on already. Great. So if you're happy with this, we are gonna key it for 60 seconds. Great. I'm so excited. I have a lot of notes right here and taking for you ladies. Okay, for crystal, got that one. And so excited because I get to share there's more different designs that we are going to do it today. And I have this is covered diamond shape right there. I am going to share with you. It's come with your kit too. This is go with everything you are doing for your clients. So it doesn't matter if clients want a simple nails or short nails or long nails. You can always fulfill their wish, so what they want. I'm so excited with that nails. This is really cool though. See, and let me see the look of the 4 nails the last time. Great, so I'm going to do twin tip. After we do that, we're gonna using the precision glues using the tips, like a needle tips right here to check, and there you go. Usually I don't squeeze anything out yet, and you're seeing it. And if you are ready to squeeze it out, would mean that you do some exam right around the crystals and the charms and the frames. If you feel scratchy, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit right here. You can see that. And we're gonna do it some. I feel scratchy right here, so I'm gonna squeeze in. I love it. I'm not afraid of to do it on the top of the frame anymore. We used to have to do it right inside, but now we don't have to do it anymore because we don't have to worry about can place it on the top of it without worry about it's gonna come off or it's catching on the hair. And okay, so it's good. I'm using a twin tip brush to blend all that the excess precision glue before I key. think it's good.